tough already. Eh? Life is hard already. See how big your head is. Eh? Okay. So you won't like this, it's cold. Okay? It's cold. Yeah, it's cold. Look at Daddy, hey? A little bit cold. Okay, you're a little bit cool. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's see how big you are. Okay. Let's see how big you are. Lots of vernix.
Yeah.
Lots of white stuff on them.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I know. Okay, let's see how big you are. Come on over here. Let's see. Okay, Daddy will take your picture. Yeah, I know.
What's that? 2,952.
2,952.
2,952.
Yeah, and then I'll write it down for you. And it's going to be 6 pounds 8 1/4 ounces.
Oh.
So 6, 8 1/4. 2,952.
How much is that, sorry?
2,952 is the grams. And 6, 8 1/4. 2,952. Okay. Now let me see how long you are. Okay, let me see. You stick to my paper.
Alright.
Okay, you stick
I'm
to
gonna
my
give you
paper.
ice chips, okay? You swallow, you tell me if it's okay.
Okay, let's see. Okay, 20 inches. Okay, mister. Say, Mom, look at me.
Yeah.
He's got lots of vernix on him. Yeah, we'll get you a new one. We'll get you a new blanket. Okay.
How's the dimension? Right?
What's that?
How the dimension?
20 inches.
20 each.
And I'll write it for you.
Okay.
Yes.
You look so cute, like.
He's got long eyelashes.
Long, right?
That's what you're saying, yeah.
And lots of hair. Hey, lots of hair. Thank you. Hey, I'm going to put a diaper on you before you pee on me. Okay? I just want to listen here.
So he looks good, no pee or right?
I don't see any.
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Those feel normal. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. See, already somebody's looking at your bottom. Hey? Already. Let's turn this up a little bit. Just warm you up a little bit.
Yeah, we can leave him under the warmer.
Yeah.
He's just bundled up.
Yeah, because he's a little cold.
Yeah, bundle him up, we'll put him under the warmer.
Okay, I'm trying to make sure those don't come off. You're okay. You're okay. I just want to see your eyes. No, it's okay. No, it looks It's okay. Yeah, looks good. Oh, good. Yeah. Your tummy. You're not going to show Daddy you can crawl? I know, I'm not. I'm not going to crawl. No, he looks good. Okay, okay, mister. Yeah, you're good.
Do you want me to grab you some new blankets?
Yeah, would you mind? Yeah, no, this diaper's dry, so. Hey, you're cute. You're cute. Jittery. I know. I'll get some warm blankets for you, okay? Get some new warm blankets. Yeah, then you'll feel better. Okay? So, let's see if we can get some of this in your eyes. Okay. I know. There we go.
We got some nice new blankets for you. Poor little man. Oh, she's gonna be the mean nurse.
Yeah, I'm going to be the mean nurse. Okay?
After you've done that, I'll wrap them up and clean up their thing. If you want to pop those things in the computer.
I'm just going to push for a few seconds, see if I can numb it a bit. Sometimes it works. So he's not really jittery, you know, because she's the gestational diabetic, right? All done, all done.
Now you remember.
All done. Okay, sweetheart. Okay, that's the good. Okay. Now you can go in a nice warm blanket. Hmm? Okay. Do that.
Hi.
Boom.
What's wrong? You keep doing this to
Say
you.
the worst part is over now, Jim.
Mhm.
Okay, the worst part is over
That's
now.
right, Betty. You're good
Yeah.
now. Huh?
Good boy.
You are good now. All these nurses keep unwrapping you, hey? There you go. Nice and warm again.
He's perfect. He's perfect.
His
Yeah.
weight was good then. She told me he was a little small. You met the requirement.